In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the active cell in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever felt the need to make your active cell stand out to help with data management or simply just to improve readability, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll dive into a straightforward method using conditional formatting, a potent tool that can transform the way you navigate through your spreadsheets. First, begin by opening your Microsoft Excel file. Once you have your file open, the task starts with identifying which range of data you want to focus on. So go ahead and left-click on a cell to select the desired range you want identified in an impactful color whenever it's the active cell. For instance, this could be a column, a series of rows, or even a specific block of data. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Home tab. Within this menu, you'll find a feature titled Conditional Formatting. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select New Rule. This is where the customization begins. You'll find various rule types appearing for selection. In our case, you'll want to choose the option that says use a formula to determine which cells to format. This allows you to script precise conditions under which the formatting will apply. Once you have that option selected, you'll need to enter a formula in the designated box. So begin by typing an equal sign. This signifies the start of the formula. Following the equal sign, type the word cell, then open parenthesis and add an apostrophe. Continue by typing in the word row, followed by another apostrophe, and then close the parenthesis to complete this segment. You'll then type another equal sign. Directly afterwards, input the word row, followed by open and close parenthesis without incorporating any spaces between them. This expression essentially serves to match the row of active cells, thereby determining which specific cell will take on the new formatting. With the formula in place, your next task is to style the formatting to your preference by heading to the Format button. Here, you'll find that a window pops up with several tabs. Focus on the Fill tab because this is where you'll select the highlight color that'll adorn your active cell. Choose a color that stands out and enhances your spreadsheet's legibility. Whether that's a soft pastel or a vibrant hue, click OK to apply the color choice, and then click OK once more to close out all of the windows. By following these steps, you've successfully highlighted the active cell in your Excel sheet. This method not only enhances visibility, but also allows you to track your work more efficiently. So now you can navigate through your data with ease, keeping your eyes effortlessly on track in your Excel worksheets. Thank you for joining, and happy Excel exploring.